So I think it's right about 5:30. He's still on the 25th, and we've got another squall that looks like it's headed our way. You can't really see it, but right over there is Tiki Island, and it is nowhere to be seen because here comes the line of rain. If you look down in our driveway, you can see it's starting to rain a little bit. But it's gonna start raining here really hard.
It started picking up the rain right here.
Mm-hmm. So.
And it's coming towards us fast.
Is it coming towards us fast?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's my neighbor. Went out. They're outside on their deck. They're probably gonna get wet here. The rain's picked up. The driveway's already wet.
And the white line hasn't even gotten here yet.
Mm-mm.
The white line's over there.
Well, it's kind of getting here now. You'll see there it is. And starting to hear the pickup of the intensity of the wind.
I hope there's another boat that comes.
You hope there's another boat that comes by?
Because it's funny.
Yeah. There was actually one that just went by just a few minutes ago. They're probably not going to beat this line, but I mean, you can't see anything.
Because most of the cars are just going this way.
Yeah. The rain's kind of blowing just sideways.
And you have to go in this way, so you're going this way, it's going this way. Ding, 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 ding.
Over here, you kind of feel out there in the distance, which you can't see because it's focusing up close, is Harbor Walk. And you can't see that at all either because, again, the line of storms makes it very difficult to see anything. Should be an interesting evening, but more fun with Harvey.